Off-page SEO plays a crucial role in building up the authority and relevance of websites. Building and managing the right backlinks is essential for climbing the search engine ranks. So let's dive in to see how SEO ranking can help you elevate your off-page SEO game. Start by entering your website into the Backlink Checker tool to get a comprehensive overview of its referring domains and backlinks. Pay extra attention to the domain trust scores here to get a quick understanding of how authoritative the websites that link out to you are. Also, check which pages on your website get the most traffic and if your website has a healthy backlink profile by examining the anchor texts and toxicity scores. To strengthen your backlink profile and ultimately your site's authority, analyze the backlink profiles of your top and direct competitors and try to replicate their link building success. To simplify this process, you can take advantage of the Backlink Gap Analyzer tool to compare up to 5 websites at the same time in terms of backlinks. By analyzing these gaps, you'll be able to discover unique opportunities for building backlinks and have a greater chance of outperforming your rivals. Now, digital marketers know how difficult it can be to get a trustworthy website to link back to you, and this is why every backlink matters. With the SEO Rankings Backlink Monitor tool, you'll never be in the dark about the status of your hard-earned backlinks. Here, you can figure out which backlinks boost your site's efforts and which ones might in fact be pulling you down. To bolster your link building campaigns, make use of SEO Rankings Content Editor. This tool assists you in creating content that's not only valuable to your audience, but is also optimized for SEO, making it more appealing for authoritative sites to link out to. Once you've done the work, check to see if it has paid off. Leverage the Keyword Rank Tracker tool to monitor the impact of your link building strategies on your site's rankings. If executed correctly, you should see your rankings soaring, a testament to the power of well-managed off-page SEO. And that's the quick overview. We hope this gives you a good grasp of how you can maintain and strengthen your site's authority with the help of SEO Ranking. If you have any questions, reach out to us or visit our knowledge base. Thank you for choosing SEO Ranking, and happy SEOing!